What is up, YouTube? Welcome to Stompers Stocks, where we try to bring you the best stompers, man. So let's get straight into it. The ticker symbol I'm gonna be talking about today is Optec International, OPTI. The whole reason it was brought to my attention was because of Stockwatch in early June, July. He kind of took out a video about it and kind of ran about to 20 cents. Talking about how Kevin Harrington came aboard from the Shark Tank, which was a really good video, but the stocks ran up from there and hasn't been there ever since. But here's my video to bring it right back up there, and I'll tell you why. So the stock ran originally to 20 cents and then died down to about 2 cents. So the whole reason upon that was because everybody was, real hyped about it. Kevin Harrington, Shark Tank investor. There was links to KNOS, another ticker symbol, which was a, air sterilization company, I believe. This Optec International is a UVC sterilization company. So they're a little bit different. But ever since then, after the hype died down, people were thinking that it was a scam. There wasn't really any contracts or, PR release, so nobody really was knowing what was going on with Optec. So I kind of jumped on board and have been on ever since. I kind of jumped in at the top, honestly, so that's kind of why. But I've been here ever since. I haven't sold my shares, and I'll tell you why I will never sell my shares, probably for a long time. So let's get straight into it. So OPTI is a UVC sterilization company. Basically, they have came out with products to fight the pandemic. The UVC lights, they have sterilization products, but the major thing is obviously the UVC light, which kills COVID and germs and bacteria and all that stuff. So the big thing about this stock is the reason why it died down to 2 cents was, everybody thought it was a scam. Nobody was really talking about it. But after a little DD, after a little research, there was this guy that went to the Optic warehouse and, checked it out. And, there was a 22,000 square feet production facility, report. There was like a $4 million earnings in the first quarter of September. So I knew this company was doing good things, but they just weren't really showing it. But this guy, going back to when this guy went and visited the company here, I'll try to put it on camera for you guys. His name is Cameron. Shout out Cameron if you watch this. Ooh. But you can see this is all legit stuff, man. They had the everything out there. They had showed the Optec, the sterilization products, the Ivon, the building. I mean, what kind of scam company has a building that big with their logo on it? Doesn't make sense to me. So everybody that hopped off board, I was like, see you suckers, go ahead and hop off the train. I will gladly ride this and take your shares. So that's what I did. Ever since, I've been riding it since 2 cents, FDA approved. Now it's 3 cents. Then a $2 billion contract got announced. Now we're at 4 cents, right? So it went down from 20 cents all the way down to 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents. Now we're at 4 cents. Probably like September, right now, August, has been sitting at 4 cents ever since. Well, actually, let me get that straight. So that 4 cents was stuck, and then we got that $2 billion contract. But we didn't get really good details about it. So then it kind of bumped up to 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, and then slowly came back down, consolidated at 4 cents, and hasn't moved ever since, probably since this last week. This last week was the 21st to the 24th. 25th is Christmas today, so we're gonna have our one less day in the trading week. But after the $2 billion contract happened, we had a steady consolidation at 4 cents because we didn't have enough information out for it. But now, after that Optic webinar during the LinkedIn, a lot of people know that there's a annual shareholdings coming this 29th. And they also talked during the webinar, which I was at, new products coming in 2021 that's going to help airplanes, clean the air while you're in the airplane. So, a product like that, when the economy opens back up, pretty sure, they have some deals going on. Then we have the Iwan that they have. They have the sterilizations for hospitals, you know, those rovers that they got that they can move over. So all of this happened. And then so during the LinkedIn webinar, you know, how they talked about the annual shareholders. So ever since then, it's been 4 cents, slowly moved to 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, and then Christmas Eve we touched a dime and then came back to around 8.5 cents. So we're about at a dime now, but it's ready for that parabolic run, because once they, you know, drop the details of this $2 billion contract, and then you guys heard about the leaked information about Target and Costco about having the I-1, you know, that wasn't supposed to come out yet. So that was real information, guys. They did not say that that was bonkers or bogus news, you know, that's real legit news. So now we're at 10 cents. Ever since we've been at, you know, that high point 20 cents way back at the, you know, beginning of the summer. But the reason why it's going to go on this parabolic run is because this news is just going to be groundbreaking. This news is going to be better than every OTC stock in this, what we're talking about right now. You know, it's gonna move. I don't know if they've been diluting or whatever, you know, you want to say what it is, but by watching this stock and watching, you know, being into every other stock, there was something different about OPTI that just did not let it run. And if you know, if you're a long time holder, OPTI did not run. Like, it would just not run. It would come back down. Someone was definitely messing with it, but I see why now today. They're going to release this news on the 29th, and this thing's gonna go shit parabolic. They just want to include real quick, my tweets, my videos, they aren't financial advice. I just want you to do your own DD. You will either learn with your investments or make money. There isn't losing. You know, if you lose a lot of money, don't take it as a loss, man. It's just a learning opportunity. You will come back from that and take it from someone that has done so. So stick around and keep stopping. You know, don't jump in. But I'm telling you guys that this is gonna be a parabolic run for sure. Optec International is gonna be a COVID. It's not only gonna help COVID, but it's gonna help, you know, for the long run, for any other disease or pandemic that comes out that has to do with this type of stuff. But and so all Optec is going to release the news this 29th. And it's just gonna it's gonna run. This time it's gonna run. If you guys want to leave questions down below, comments, let me know if you guys have any questions about the stock. You know, call me out. You know, I have no problem talking to you guys and seeing what your opinions and views are too. And I'm kind of, you know, fresh to YouTube and everything, so if this wasn't the best video, informative video, or any other stock videos that you guys watch, I'm sorry. But this is my own thing. I'm just doing it my own way. If you guys have specific ways you guys want me to do something, or, you know, if you guys have any ideas, leave them down below. I have no problem trying to try something new as well. I'm just trying to get into the groove of things and trying to help people make money while I'm trying to make money as well, you know. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is a stomper. I'm gonna tell you guys right now though. Optec International, OPTI, ticker symbol OPTI. Please hop on it before the run has ran.